MeghalayaPost.news.
Deputy Commissioner Karibay District, District Collector Mentaula Penbena, Masyan Kasurkar Jilla, ng Bakatana Transport, Kansim Jakana, Kabanta, Pynheh ka Surok, Kabapaniso, Nagasurok Ba, Haumroy Madan, Sha Airport, Badiagan Jingtei Banshim Jaka, Pynheh ka Surok, Labata, ng Bakatana Transport, Kasurkar Meghalaya. Habakrench Kilat Patay Kubor, Deputy Commissioner Kariboy, Barubaderu District Collector, Abilash Baranwal, Ulong Bana Kabanta, Jingpentip Sigipad Ba, Lakang Persha Abanshnai, Kinuginu Jingtei Thymmai, Harut Katay Surok, Bakasurkar Katmu Banshim Jaka, Katahap po kapra san meter na baro arliang surong balada kitmu bantay kinuginu jingtei ru kinhaban pan jingbet shwana ka office u deputy commissioner ulapan benaru baki kinuginu jingtei ki baklam dayo jingbet laki dai ki basipor ne baki pen kam shirta hagiti jaka batmu banshim da ka sarkar Nym Ïoh Bai Lutksan la da klam yo borna ka office u deputy commissioner shushu ulaban rap ru kanigan kam laki dai ki riu shimat ne ki jingtei ki badai na ka banta ka khayi ka pateng barkani ka hukum kan kam mardor tang hadian balada ban pen benapat ba hagilat pathai kubor.
So, as per directions received from Transport Department Government of Meghalaya, the government intends to acquire the land alongside the current PWD road in Umroi Madan village and link it to the airport for providing a safe and comfortable approach road for the airport. And so, as per the directions received from Transport Department, we are releasing a order today wherein any new construction alongside that is stretched 8.5 meters of both sides of the central line. For any new construction, they will have to approach district administration and seek prior approval. Any new structure which comes up after this will not be entertained for compensation unless it has been approved beforehand by the administration.
MeghalayaPost.news.